Hello students, how are you? Fine. Now, my dear students, today we are doing the revision of chapter 1, that is rational numbers, and chapter 6 of KYA, know your aptitude. So first I am taking the chapter 6 of KYA because we have done so many chapters, so you can revise on your own. Now maximum chapters we have done, so that you can do others also. Just only starting we are telling the guidance. You see, in chapter 6 they are giving puzzle. So first what is saying, read carefully and answer the question. First of all, what is given? There are 6 cities are there. A, B, C, D, E and F. There are six cities. Clear this. So what is saying? He has given the statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, statement 5. So what is statement 1? A is not a hill station. City A is not a hill station. Only this one statement he has given. And statement 2, what is given? He is saying these cities B and E are not historical place. And statement 3, what is saying? This city D is not a industrial city. Understand? Because D is not a industrial city. And then statement 4, A and D are not historical place. And statement 5, what is given? He is saying A and B are not alike. Means these two cities are different cities are there. Clear this? No any similarity is there. Both are the different cities are there. No any matchings are there. No pairing are there. No relation is there. Both are separate. So he has given these 5 statements. On the behalf of 5, you keep in mind, then you can give the answers of these questions. So my dear students, before giving the answers of these questions, so first of all, if your mind is sharp, then you have to learn these in your mind. Otherwise, second, for this help, you can make a table. Whatever these statements is given, you make the table. Just for example, I am taking this in this table. So A, B, C, D, E, F are the cities, and then shortcut I written historical. Clear this station, hill station. These are hill station. Clear this. A is not hill station. B is given. Clear this. Another historical places. B not given. Here it is not given. A also. D also. E also. So when E is saying A is not a hill station, historical place. E is also not historical place. D is not also. So you have to cross this. Another is, what is this? Industrial city. Industrial city also is saying D is not industrial city. Clear this. When D is not industrial city, then it is written here. Understand? So in this way, my dear students, whatever the points given, then you have to tick and cross. Now, first you read and make the table, whatever statements are given. Now, first, which 2 cities are industrial centers? Which 2 cities are industrial centers? Options are A and B, E and F, C and D, B and F. And industrial center, you see, it is given here. Just B cross here, D cross here. Then it means what is given here, my dear students? Simple, you see. Here A also, C also, E also, F are these are the possible answer. So what do you say in this? Here A and B, E and F, Clear this? And C and D, if I am saying C and D, D is not there. B and F, B is not there. So what do you say, my students? In this way, in E and F are the possible answer. So this B part is the correct answer. What are the possible? You have to find out the pair of the city. Then it will be very much easy for the answer. Understand? Another is, which two cities are historical places? Which two cities are historic places? Then he has given the option. On the behalf of options, then you see the table. A and C. Clearly, historical places. A and C. A and historical places here. A and C. View A is not there. A is cross here. So, what do you say? It is not the answer. And then B and F. And again you see B and F. And again it is cross here. Clearly, B cross here. And again it is wrong. Then C and F. C and F, you see. C also. This one. This also. No, here tick mark. No cross is there. It means they are the correct possible answer. So C and F is the correct answer because C and F are the historical places. Clear this? So now third question, which two cities are hill stations? About hill station, it is given A is not a hill station. So A is not a hill station, so it is a cross here. Clear this? So what pairs are there here? A and B. When A is not hill station, what you can see? C and D. When A is not here. Understand? So what do you say? When it is given B and D, it means this B and D is the, what do you say? B and D is the correct answer. Which two cities are the hill stations? So this B and D is the correct answer. So this one is the correct. C part, C option is the correct. So now fourth, which city is a hill station? Which city and a hill station and an industrial center but not a historical place? So which city is a hill station? Hill station. What is hill station? A is not a hill station. A not hill station. It means you answer it wrong. Clear this. And another industrial center and industrial center. Which city is a hill station? Hill station also, industrial center also. Industrial city. You see industrial city. A is industrial city. This is also not. This is also. This is also. This is also. Now you check this. Which of these? F is there. F is not possible here. E is also. You see A also. B also. Because you see both should be there. So, my dear students, so in this way, when you see the table and then compare this, then E part is the correct answer. About E part, you see E city E is a hill station. You see it is a hill station. Clear this? And the industrial center also. The industrial center, it is a hill station also, but not a historical place. It is not a historical place. So with the help of table, it is very much easy to find out the answer of the given questions. So here one more part also, in the same way, after reading the table, you can find out the answer. So my dear students, if any puzzle is there, about puzzle, I think whatever the statements he is giving, on the behalf of statement, you are making the table and then you will give the answer of the question. Understand? So now, any problem? So now my students, now I am taking, this is the revision of this KYA, know your aptitude, so that first we are sharpening your mind, and now we are starting revision of chapter 1 also. Now revision of chapter 1, rational number. About rational numbers, So my dear students, about rational numbers, you must know first of all, today only we are revising the main concept, natural number. What are natural numbers? The counting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are called natural numbers. Clear this? Counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are called natural numbers. Now, whole numbers, your basic concepts you must know when you revise the chapter. So, whole numbers, when counting start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it is called whole number. So, you can say whole number, natural number, including 0 is called whole number. Then another is, if I will take integers. So my dear students, integers you know very well. You make a number line and all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with their negative sign and including 0 are called the integers. It means integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with their negative signs including 0. These are called integers. Now, next is rational number. Now about rational number, if a number can be written as in the form of P and Q, where Q is not equal to 0, then that number is called rational number. If I say about rational number, if I am saying in MCQ whether 2 is a rational number, then what you will say? You will say, sir, 2 is not a rational number, 2 is a. You can say whole number, 2 is natural number. It is also, but he is asking about rational number, 2 is a rational number or not. So in true false, what you say? You will say yes, true, 2 is a rational number because I can write 2 means 2 by 1 because 2 divided 1 that is 2, so we can say 2 is a rational number. So if a number we can write in the form of P by Q, it is rational, which we can't write in P by Q form, it is not a rational number. So now, my dear students, only one method I will take. Find 4 rational numbers. One question I am telling, simple, find 4 rational numbers between -1 and -2. Find 4 rational numbers between -1 and -2. So my dear students, this type, revise any question they can give, because as I am standing here, I have made the question on my own. So you see, find 4 rational numbers between -1 and 2. So -1 and -2. Clear this? So what is next? -1 by 1 and -2 by 1. Clear this? So now what step? Multiply and divide by 10. It's very much easy method, and this method is applicable when you apply this, when denominator is same, then you apply this method. Clear this? If denominator is not same, then you take LCM, make equal, then -10 by 10, so -20 by 10. So my dear students, if you see your number line, it is -10, it is next is -20, So how many numbers are lie between minus 10 to minus 20? So therefore, 4 rational numbers which are lying between minus 1 and minus 2, you will write minus 10 to minus 20 between. Between means you will not involve these first and last numbers. So you can write minus 10, 11 by 10, minus 12 by 10, minus 13 by 10, minus 14 by 10. Any 4 number between minus 10 to minus 20 you can write. So one method we have learned how to find out the rational number between two given rational numbers. So my dear students, today you have to revise all questions related to this method. So if any problem, we'll discuss tomorrow. We ask, you can contact me if any doubt is there. Thank you. Have a good day.